The world has a taste for salmon. It's the most popular fish on the planet. And one particular kind of salmon tops the popularity chart. The biggest of them all, king salmon. Its beautiful, rich meat is on every discerning chef's wish list. But wild populations are struggling to cope with overfishing and climate change. So, is there a sustainable future for king salmon? We are proving there is.
We set out to change the aquaculture industry from the inside and have a positive impact on the region.
Introducing the first and only truly sustainable king salmon on the planet, Patagonia King Salmon. Until recently, it was assumed that this powerful fish was too difficult to farm sustainably.
With our experience and the right technology, we knew we could do it.
Operating at the cutting edge of pisciculture, we developed new technology to breed king salmon on land in a RAS system. These include powerful biofiltration units, efficient pumps, and big indoor tanks.
It's not just the technology, it's the whole process. Many years of research went into creating the perfect farming conditions. Everything at Patagonian King Salmon has to be sustainable and fully regenerative.
Our fish are bred from wild Patagonian stock to keep the population diverse and healthy. The seawater is recirculated in our RAS system and returns to the sea filtered and cleaned. The facility's organic waste is transformed into potent fertilizer for agricultural use. And our salmon are fed a unique mix of protein-rich salmon feed containing insects grown on organic byproducts in a 100% circular production process.
We call this forward farming, using science and technology to produce superlative quality fish with the least possible impact on the environment.
The quality of our fish is like no other and praised by top chefs everywhere. Patagonia King Salmon is currently expanding to guarantee a regular supply and meet the increasing demand for sustainably farmed salmon. If anything, Patagonia King Salmon is proof that advanced technology can give the salmon industry a future for good and give fans of king salmon a fish that's out of this world. Patagonia King Salmon, forward farmed by Sealand Advanced Aquaculture.